With summer sweltering heat, this mango banana smoothie is the antidote. And with just a few ingredients, you're on your way to making yourself a perfect drink. Peel and dice one mango, and then peel one banana and slice it into chunks. Put everything into a bowl. Zest one lemon. Transfer the mixture into a blender bowl. Then add 1 cup yogurt, a half a cup milk. A pinch of salt is the secret ingredient that lifts up the flavors for your smoothie. Quickly process everything in the blender starting on low, and in no time you're ready to serve your delicious mango banana smoothie. Pour and enjoy your delicious mango banana smoothie. Just remember to watch some of my other videos on the channel. Thank you so much as always for watching. I will see you soon.